to change the extra modes? There are 4 parts. Guardrail tuning table, lead feeder seaming chuck, power off, also turn off the air source. Take out the tools. First, remove the blue outer cover. Remove the hose. Remove the sensor. Dismantle the side panel of the machine head. Dismantle the lead feeder. Then dismantle the turntable. For the oldest scan, maybe it will get stuck. Don't you worry, just need to raise the machine head. Loosen these screws, as the video shows. There are 3 screws in total that need to be loosened. Open the back door and turn the handwheel clockwise. Then the head will be raised. Take the turntable out. Next, dismantle the rear panel, one part of the turntable. Remove the semicircular plate. Not all need to do it. Just skip it without this step. Remove the tray. Not all need to do this step. Dismantle the seaming chuck. Rotate the whole sealing head clockwise till those 4 sealing rollers open, as the video shown. Very important, loosen this screw. Be used to adjust the distance between the roller holder and seaming chuck. Use the wrench to hook the hole on the seaming chuck. Counterclockwise always. If the force is not enough, we can use the tool to help us. Install the new chuck and tighten it clockwise with the wrench. Install the tray. Skip without this step. Install the semicircular plate. Skip without this step. Double check the 4 swing rollers. Open like this time. Important, if the new cap is higher, we need to rotate the hand wheel counterclockwise. Put a new can and lid on the tray. Make the lid closest to the chuck by hand. Raise the tray and check if the height is proper. Connect the air source and power source. Select manual mode. Click the tray up button. The cylinder lift scan. We can rotate the can manually. After rotating, check again. Note the seaming head cannot be too low, or the can will deformation. Adjust it well. Then we need to tighten those 3 screws. This is the second seaming roller, Y groove. The distance between the seaming roller and chuck. For reference, note 14 can. Pet can reference position is at the end of this video. First seaming roller narrow groove. Still 14 can. The distance between the E-string seaming roller and chuck. For pet can, please check it. At the end of this video, adjust the E-string seaming roller. Rotate the sealing head till the position and bearing, like the finger points. Then adjust the position of the roller. Use this screw to adjust the distance between roller and chuck. Use this screw to adjust the up and down position. For the same rollers, they should be the same. Note when the position of the bearing and can lock the wrench points. Then we can adjust the position of roller and chuck. For adjusting the R&D roller, it is the same as E-string roller. After adjusting those 4 rollers, we try to seal a can manually. Rotate the sealing head counterclockwise. Be careful after adjusting. Need to rotate a sealing head manually to check whether the positions of those 4 rollers are correct, and ensure that the roller doesn't touch the chuck. After sealing, make the tray up. Check the sealing effect and bend them according to the sealing effect. After adjusted well, we need to install the turntable. Install the back plate. Do not lock it too tighten. We need to fine-tune. Install the lead feeder. Do not lock it tightly. Need to fine-tune. Connect the air hose. Turn on the bottle stop manually. Put a new can with lid. Adjust the guardrail of the conveyor. Put a can weight leading to turntable. Jog the turntable till the can turns. Under the seaming chuck. Fine-tune the back plate. The distance between edge and can body. About 2 毫米. Then lock the screw. Confirm the seaming rollers. Still open like this. Important. Turn off the power supply. Raise the trim manually. Check if the can is centered on the chuck. If not, we need to adjust the related parameter. Click parameter on the HMI. Original password is 20180830. If the can position is to the right side, we need to reduce the parameters by 20. But if the can position is to left, we need to increase it by 20. Enter the number and press original. Repeat this operation till the can is centered GB. Click the turntable on HMI and turn the can out. Adjust the guardrail. Connect the air source. Adjust the position of the lead feeder. Note the circle of lead feeder should be and with the outer circle of turntable. Lock screws and put on it to test. Put a can into turntable and click lead drops. Repeat it till it drops smoothly. Click origin on HMI. Press start button. Put a can and lid to test. Running smoothly. Click manual interface. Adjust the bottles per cylinder. Put 2 cans on conveyor belt.
Adjust the position of bottles top cylinder to the middle of those 2 cans.
To test if the bottles are optimized, we touch can body. Feel the position of bottle top is proper. Take the blue screw out from our toolkit. Adjust the front bottle stop sensor. Install the sensor for testing leads. Put a couple of leads to test this sensor. Click drop cover. Click the turntable. The lead passes by the sensor will light up, or it won't light up. If it doesn't like that, we need to use the blue gadget to adjust the sensor. Put more cans and leads. Click origin, then click start. Testing the machine to check if it runs smoothly. If it does not, we still need to fine-tune till it runs smoothly. Install the blue outer cover. Install the set plate. The reference position of the E3 roller for PET can. The R&D reference position for PET can. If you have any question, connect with our after-sales services app.